add a little olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Since our turkey is not a fat meat, we need to add a little oil. Okay, our pan is heated. We're going to add our turkey. Going to break that up as it's cooking. Okay, before I start chopping into it, I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm adding seasoned salt, and we are going to season to taste. I am adding smoked paprika. It gives it a little color and a little, I can't even tell you what kind of taste it is. It's just really good. I love smoked paprika. It's actually like a sweetness. Then we're going to add white pepper. You can use black pepper if you like. I'm just using the white pepper for today. I'm going to add a little red crushed pepper. Give it a little zing. And like I say, we are seasoning to taste. And some basil. Alright, now we're going to continue to cook our meat down. Chop it up. Break it up. I have chopped up 1 onion and a half of bell pepper. So I'm going to add that into my turkey mixture. And that's just more flavor. Gonna let that cook in there a little bit. Soften up. And you see I did not drain my turkey, my ground turkey. I didn't drain it because it actually absorbs the oil into the ground turkey, so I like that. It gives it more flavor, believe it or not. This turkey is not a very flavorful meat. Okay, I'm going to add a 1.5 cups of hot water. We don't want to stop the cooking, we just want to keep the heat up. So I'm going to add a cup of that water. And I'm going to add 2 cups of this panini dry noodles. I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes so the noodles can get soft. Okay, Now we are going to add in our tomato paste. This is 6 ounces. I add a cup of water in there, hot water. One cup of water. You know, we budget friendly. We got to get all the paste out of that can. Stir that all up, get it mixed in there. And this is a 1-pan dish right here. You don't want to mess up a bunch of dishes, bunch of pots and pans. This is what you want to make. Gonna let that boil some more until the panini is tender. Get that paste all mixed up in there so it will be flavorful. We're gonna put the top back on. Let that cook for maybe another 10 minutes and it should be ready. Looking good. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off and let it sit. Let those flavors blend together, and then I'll be making me a plate. Oh God, it looks so good. Look at.